I think it's gonna be a really fun magic show today. Arpo, we'll be back in a... I'm home! Look at the dirt on your clothes. Where have you been all morning?
I'm sorry.
Joey, go upstairs and change your clothes right now. And you should take responsibility for what you've done. So you're doing your own laundry today.
But... Yes, Mom.
Arpo, we're leaving now.
My little darling, have fun with Arpo till Mommy returns, okay? Bye! Oh, so cute!
Do I have to do this? That should be enough. Let's see. All done! Playtime!
Warning! Unusual movement detected. Secure washing machine immediately.
Gentlemen, I present to you the Bubble Magic Show! Show!
What's going on? When's the show starting?
Hey, what's going on back there?
is in danger. I repeat, Daniel is in danger.
Washing machine jumping around on the street.
Oh, come on. Is this show ever gonna start? I'm bored here. Hey, what's taking so long? Fix that thing right now. Hey, hey, come on, start already.
What are you people doing?
Yeah, what's going on there, man?
Oh, that looks kind of familiar. Oh, could it be a UFO?
That's so boring.
What a great story!
My hot dog! Daniel!
We go live in 5, 4,
Good. I'm ready.
rolling.
Dear viewers, you are about to witness a truly historical moment on TV. In a matter of moments, we shall attempt to capture a real live UFO on camera for the very first time. Thank you. This just in. Apparently, the UFO resembles an ordinary household washing machine. It also appears to be leaking some kind of substance that looks like bubbles. We hope to get some answers about the sighting from our panel of experts very soon. I'm Debbie DeLovely, and you're watching our exclusive story on Breaking News.
Red alert! Daniel is in danger. Rescue Daniel from incoming meteor.
Wake up, Bob. I'm back, dear. Did I miss anything?
Oh no.
Hurry! People are waiting! That's about time. Presenting the world's greatest bubble magic show! Finally!
Daniel,
My hot dog! Daniel!
Harpo,
Oh.
did you just wash the entire house? It looks fantastic.
So shiny.
Joey, I said to do the laundry. What's the washing machine doing out on the lawn? Joey, come out here right now. Joey!
But Mom, I didn't do that.